991 GT3RS in for development. Now these cars come with a cage from factory, optional. However, this car came with one. We weighed it, we checked it over, and we thought that we could probably do a better job. We looked at the front section that comes from Porsche. We looked at what we could do, and we thought we could definitely make it stronger and stiffer. So that's what we've done. So if you've got a GT3 or a GT3RS, you may know this or you may not know this. All the shells, whether they were spec'd from factory with a cage or without, come with the mounting points already. So these cages will bolt straight into the car. What we've also done is tried to replicate the factory style ever so slightly with the same door bar style. However, what we've done is we've kicked them out as far as we possibly can to keep them away from the carbon seats while still remaining in between the seat and the door cards. They're bolted together using billet lap joint connectors that are rated to a massive amount of strength and stiffness. What this means is there's no rotation between the joints. It increases the stiffness of the chassis massively. These are going to be available very, very soon to purchase. We're able to ship them worldwide. So if you've got a 991, 3RS or a GT3, then get a hold of us. We'll be able to sort you out.